Revitalize your gut in just 3 days. Home recipe to transform your digestive health. Hello, everyone. If you're struggling with bloating, irregular digestion, or just want to give your gut a fresh start, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a powerful natural home recipe to reset your gut in just 3 days. This method combines simple ingredients, easy-to-follow steps, and science-backed tips to support your digestive system and boost your overall well-being. Let's dive into how you can rejuvenate your gut with this effective at-home approach. Why reset your gut? Your gut is the cornerstone of your health. It's home to trillions of bacteria that influence digestion, immunity, and even your mood. Poor diet, stress, or lack of sleep can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to issues like constipation, gas, or low energy. A gut reset helps restore harmony by nourishing beneficial bacteria, reducing inflammation, and improving nutrient absorption. This 3-day plan uses whole foods and hydration to cleanse and rebuild your digestive system naturally. Day 1. Cleanse and prepare. The first day is all about flushing out toxins and setting the stage for healing. Start your morning with a glass of warm water mixed with the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of raw honey. This kickstarts your metabolism and supports liver detoxification. For breakfast, have a smoothie made with 1 banana, a handful of spinach, half an avocado, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and unsweetened almond milk. This blend is rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants to soothe your gut lining. Throughout the day, sip on at least 10 cups of water to stay hydrated and aid digestion. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and alcohol, as these can irritate your gut. For lunch, enjoy a bowl of steamed vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, and carrots, drizzled with olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. These veggies are gentle on the stomach and packed with fiber to promote regular bowel movements. Dinner should be light. Try a small portion of quinoa with sautéed kale and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. Before bed, drink a cup of chamomile tea to relax your digestive system and reduce inflammation. Day 2. Nourish and repair. On day 2, we focus on feeding your gut with nutrient-dense foods to repair and strengthen it. Begin with a glass of warm water and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to stimulate digestion. For breakfast, make overnight oats with rolled oats, unsweetened coconut milk, a tablespoon of flax seeds, and fresh berries. This meal is loaded with prebiotics to feed your gut's good bacteria and support a healthy microbiome. For lunch, prepare a hearty salad with mixed greens, cucumber, shredded carrots, grilled chicken or tofu, and a dressing of olive oil and lemon juice. Add a tablespoon of fermented foods like sauerkraut or kimchi to introduce probiotics, which help balance gut flora. Snack on a handful of almonds or a sliced apple with almond butter to keep energy levels steady. Dinner can be a comforting bowl of bone broth soup with added turmeric, ginger, and garlic. These ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties that promote gut healing and reduce bloating. Keep hydration a priority. Aim for 10 to 12 cups of water and include herbal teas like peppermint or ginger to ease digestion. Avoid caffeine as it can dehydrate you and disrupt gut motility. If you feel hungry between meals, sip on a homemade electrolyte drink made with water, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and a splash of fresh orange juice. Day 3. Rebuild and optimize. The final day is about solidifying your gut's recovery and optimizing its function. Start with warm water and a teaspoon of aloe vera juice to soothe the gut lining and promote healing. For breakfast, blend a smoothie with kefir, frozen mango, a handful of kale, and a tablespoon of hemp seeds. Kefir is a probiotic powerhouse that replenishes beneficial bacteria, while mango provides vitamins to support immunity. Lunch should include a baked sweet potato topped with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a side of steamed asparagus. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help maintain healthy digestion. For a snack, try a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and a few walnuts. This combination delivers probiotics and healthy fats to keep your gut thriving. Dinner can be grilled salmon or lentils with roasted Brussels sprouts and a side of fermented pickles. Omega-3s in salmon and fiber in lentils support long-term gut health. Continue drinking plenty of water and herbal teas throughout the day. If you're feeling up for it, incorporate light movement like a 20-minute walk or yoga to stimulate digestion and reduce stress. By the end of day 3, you should notice less bloating, improved energy, and smoother digestion. Additional tips for success. To maximize your gut reset, follow these key tips. First, eat slowly and chew thoroughly to aid digestion, and prevent bloating. Second, stick to a consistent meal schedule to regulate your body's digestive rhythm. Third, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night, as rest is crucial for gut repair. Finally, manage stress with deep breathing or meditation, as stress can disrupt gut bacteria balance. What to expect after 3 days by following this plan? You'll likely feel lighter, more energized, and less bloated. Your digestion should become more regular, and you may even notice clearer skin or better focus. This reset isn't a quick fix, but a foundation for long-term gut health. To maintain these benefits, continue incorporating fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and hydration into your daily routine. Limit processed foods and prioritize whole nutrient-dense meals. Precautions and considerations. Before starting any gut reset, consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, or food allergies. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should also seek medical advice. Listen to your body. If you experience discomfort or unusual symptoms, adjust the plan or stop and consult a doctor. Conclusion: resetting your gut doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated diets. With this 3-day home recipe plan, you can nourish your body, support your microbiome, and feel revitalized using simple natural ingredients. Try this approach and discover how a healthy gut can transform your energy, mood, and overall health. Here's to a happier, healthier you in just 3 days.